This is Mario Kart in real life. Well, almost. Today we're going to start turning this into something way faster, way cooler, and maybe even a little dangerous. And when he's fast, he'll have somewhere to show off. A diorama garage modelled after the best of Japan's car culture, built from scratch. Mario definitely is not alone. I've got Bowser, Yoshi, a little Luigi, enough Mario Kart memories to last a lifetime, but there's only one of them about to get the ultimate speed boost. There's also no denying, my driving could do with a little work. Plan simple, strip them down, ditch anything slow and replace it with pure performance. Out goes the stock motor, in comes an 8 to 100 kV brushless beast, a nice ESC, a bigger battery and maybe some fancy LED lights for some style. We're getting a new controller. We are powering up our ESC and power unit, a new battery and a new servo. This is going to be a good improvement. Out goes all the old, and we're going to have to try and figure out how to squeeze in the new. There's just one problem. This little gear is locked in place and I'm waiting on the tool to swap it over. Once it's off, the real fun begins. And when he's fast, he'll have somewhere to show off. A diorama garage modelled after the best of Japan's car culture, built from scratch. Can we make Mario hit 999 miles per hour? Probably not, but we can try. Subscribe so you don't miss the next stage.